All right, what's up, guys? Today I got the Huo Ji E-Yooso Z-88 gaming keyboard with 104 keys. If you go on Amazon, you'll see numerous keyboards with that same exact name. This brand, they just called Z88. I guess it's just the model lineup. They have 104 keys I have. There's an 88 key layout. There's a 60% layout. And I believe there's another layout. But I go for the one with the numpad all times. This is a hot swappable mechanical keyboard. Hot swappable with an asterisk. These come with the Otemu brown switches. Otemu switches, you have to switch those out with other Otemu switches. But this keyboard is available with the clicky blue switches and also linear red switches. I just happen to get the brown tactile switches. It is metal and ABS construction. It has a detachable cable, and that cable is micro USB, but it came with a certain cable, like a rubberized cable, but I had no problems plugging in my custom cable here. On the back, let's see what we got. We got 2 kick-up feet, which I always use on every keyboard. It has 4 rubber stoppers, and those are in place pretty well, so they don't go sliding around the table. Then you got your E-Yooso information there. It has a cable management system back here, so depending on your layout, I have it just coming straight out the back, but you can have it coming out the right or also the left, depending on your layout. This is my favorite layout, or I should say my favorite mode. It just cycles through all the colors like that. But to change the colors or the modes, cycle through the modes, hit function and insert. And we just ran through all of them. So with all these effects, you can speed up and slow down the effect. So if I wanted to speed this up, I can hit function and right arrow key, and it'll cycle through the colors faster. But that's pretty much it. It's a nice, brilliant, bright, fluid RGB effects there. Now, to pick it up, this keyboard, it got a little bit of heft to it. If I twist it, there is some flex in this deck. Now, it says it was metal and ABS. All right, the ABS plastic is just a plastic housing, and this is some type of, I'm assuming it's like an aluminum, because it's very lightweight. It flexes very easy. Nothing too crazy. Remember, this keyboard is running for 50 bucks shipped. There's no macros or anything that you can plug into it. It's just a basic gaming keyboard. You can hit multiple keys at the same time. It's meant for gaming. There's no wireless on board, and it's micro USB. No USB Type-C. So without further ado, let's do a quick typing test and see what's up. All right, not too bad. This is just another budget RGB keyboard. No wireless, no macros. Just if you want something nice and clean looking on your desktop with RGB lighting, this might be for you. It has changeable switches, but they're OTEMU. OTEMU switches are only swappable with other OTEMU switches. This is a standard 104 key layout, so you should be able to find different keycaps if you don't like these. I do like them. The keys, or I should say the RGB shines bright through all the keycaps. Nice and uniform. These are OEM style keycaps right now. The only branding you see on there is on the back where it says E-Yooso, and on top here, this falcon or whatever bird that is. But that's about it, guys. If you have any other questions about it, hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll check you out. Peace.